Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A taxpayer gives a client a luxury pen costing $80. The taxpayer also pays $10 for engraving and $15 for shipping. What is the total deductible amount for the taxpayer? How much can you deduct? What are the rules? You can deduct $25 per recipient per year. So is it $25? And the answer is no, because you also paid $10 engraving. Can you add the $10? Yes, you can. So now we're up to $35. Can you add the shipping? Yes, that's reasonable. Shipping, you gotta ship it. That's $15. So 25 plus 10 plus 15 equal to $50. What should you do now? Look, if you are studying for the EA exam, if you're studying for the CPA exam, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. You go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, true false exercises that will help you prepare for the exam, prepare for your classes. Don't shortchange yourself. No one can take your investment that you make in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.